Welcome once again. I'm gonna share with you another app. This one is called Video Shop. This is a very nice app and you can do like many things with it. I'm gonna show you what you can do, but the best thing that I like about this app is the color grading. I'm gonna start a new project and I'm gonna tap on the plus sign right here. You have two choices. You can record a new video or import a new video. I'm just gonna import one because I already have it, and I'm just gonna select this one right here. Is 1 minute and 24 seconds long, and I'm gonna show you all the filters also. Like this is a very nice app. So right here you see all these icons, right, these tools, so you can add text, voiceovers, trim sound, speed it up, all that editing stuff, and like so many apps can do the same thing. That's not like very special, but the thing that I like the most is the color grading. So we're gonna move on that. Just tap on next, and now it's recognizing the video, so you can do an easier editing. And also I just want to tell you to stay at the very end of the video so you can see one of those effects that a lot of YouTubers use, and I'm gonna share it with you, and I just discovered it with this app. So right here on the bottom you have like different filters or color grading options, and this is like intense, black and white, this one Lumi. All of them are cool, even more this one because it makes it look like an old film. This one too, and this is black and white also. Like you see like different filters. This is like like one of those old videotapes. And this one too, this one is so nice too, but you have to pay for that. But like even the free ones are very nice, because this is the one that I like a lot, pasty. I love it. And you can increase or decrease intensity, which is very good. And then like this one right here, all these options you have. I like this one too, bloop, sorry. And I also like this one. But yeah, anyway, so you can like give it a try, get the app and give it a shot. And this is how you can edit your videos. And what I said before, I was playing and trying stuff with this app, and I'm gonna share with you like one of those effects that a lot of people use, and it's this one right here. Like when a camera is recording, like one of those security cameras. So you can get that effect with this app, which is also good. And just so you know, you can also edit like landscape mode, just in case, like if you're wondering like if you can just edit like a regular video, because right now this is like for Instagram stories. And once again, if you're new in my channel and if you want to see an Instagram story with editing and some other stuff going on there, you can go to my Instagram account, is this one right here, and you can tap on this icon, the hands icon, and you'll see a highlight with color grading and all that stuff. It's not good, I mean it's not that good. I'm gonna make better editing in the future, but if you want to take a look, feel free to do it. And yeah, this is it. And at the very end also, I'm gonna let play this video with editing and not editing. And just so you know, I'm gonna use the pasty effect, because I like this one a lot, because it makes look like all the surroundings like kind of they lose color and it looks like kind of gray, and but like skin tones or like red color kind of bumps out a little bit, I would say. And also like you can use this one too, because I think like this one looks kind of teal and orange, and if someone knows how to achieve the color grading teal and orange with an app, please let me know. I wanna find out how to do that. Like this one right here, you see the red, it kind of pops out, and I like that. And also like with the skin. But if you know how to do this better with an app, let me know in the comment section. Once again, I'm gonna let play the video with editing or color grading and next to the original. I almost forget, once you're done with your color grading, you just gotta tap on the top right side, and you're just gonna tap right here on the first option, and you're gonna select how big you want your file to be saved. Just tap on whatever size you like, save it. You can save it on your photos, and you're done. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.